Open the freezer door and pull it out. Pull out the top sliding upper drawer and lift it off the top rails and set aside. With both hands, slightly pull the freezer door upward to lift it out of the bottom rails and remove it. Take out the bottom drawer from the rail guides. Install the new lower drawer, ensuring it sits on the guide rails. Line up the two guide rail wheels on both sides. Then slightly lift upward to ensure that the wheels align with the rails. Push inward to make sure the drawer slides in properly. Then slide in the upper drawer in the same manner as the lower drawer.